Today, we're gonna go for a little adventure in my backyard canal. This is gonna be the first time that I go in this canal on any type of boat, and it's a long one. I looked it up on the map, and it's about 4, 5, 6. It's a long canal, probably 10-mile long, and we're gonna go have some dinner, and yeah, just go explore, go nice and slow, nice and easy. But I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. For those of you who don't know, this is one of our mascots, Tequila. She just turned 2 years old, and this is gonna be her first voyage with us. Woohoo! So we're having our $1 million cheeseburger, eating very healthy from Burger King. If you guys can tell, I'm a very healthy person. We're crossing US 1 right now, South Dixie Highway. Hey, we got a fellow boater. So I'm low-key excited to do this little tour. It's something I've never done, and this is my backyard canal, so I figured this is the perfect time on a Sunday. It's about 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. The sun is going down, and it's just nice, man.
I think Tequila's interested in the food more than the boat ride.
If I lived here, I'll create that for this. I don't know how. I don't know how much it'll cost, but look at these vibes, man. This is nice.
We need this.
This is nice.
We need that.
Nice vibe up there. Want some chicken nuggets, babe?
Those are my chicken nuggets.
I never knew this was a spice.
I like that little one. The Cheeto.
Let's go! What way am I supposed to go? That way?
I think so.
This way.
This is the park.
I'm enjoying this a lot, man. This is a real nice vibe. And I think we picked the perfect time because it's not too hot. I feel safe, you know, comfortable. I just wish I had some music.
Luis.
Yeah, these are a lot nicer. A lot bigger houses. I found my fuel issue. If you guys saw the previous video, you guys saw all of it. Towards the end, I was having a little bit of fuel issue, and I realized that there was a little O-ring that was weared out on the fuel rail connector. I don't know what to call it. Well, I changed that O-ring. We're good to go. It wasn't maintaining fuel pressure, so it's supposed to be around 40 psi this engine. And it will instantly just die. It was like 40 down, 40 down. So I changed that O-ring and we're good to go. Now we got all fuel pressure. Look at this. Love that. Love that. It back on the trailer, and this is the first time Miss Boat Vibes drives the boat by herself, so let's see how she does. Back, the prop! Oh, my prop!